So you see, by the time that we have him going around here and stopping, walk, trot, canter, taking your hands, and you're able to turn him, whenever I put one of my students on, that's jockey size, they're gonna have a real easy time guiding her around, riding her, and he's gonna be able to walk, trot, canter, turn, stop, everything we ask for. We'll trot him off and then ask for a stop. Oh. Oh. There we go. So notice how that was his first stop there, how I just kind of soaked into it right there. I didn't jam up on him. I didn't want to get him scared or worried about it. I kind of slowed him down to nothing.